let us begin our lesson. Last week, we just read the lesson. We just saw different parts of a plant. We spoke about different trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, but we do not know what they are. So, ready to learn? I've written the name of the lesson, Nature Walk. What is the lesson's name? Nature Walk. And I've written plants in the middle. But instead of plants, shall we put the word people? People from Asia, or maybe from India, people from Japan, people from Russia, people from Africa, people from Afghanistan, people from China, like that, so many different countries. Are all people same? Do they look same? No. Some have straight hair, some have curly hair. Some have small eyes, some have big eyes, isn't it? Same way, all plants are not the same. How are they different? How they differ? We are going to study that lesson today. Okay? Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Did you read the lesson Nature Walk? Did you like it? So, we'll continue the second week, Semester 1 textbook, Lesson 9, Nature Walk. So today what are we going to learn? The different types of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climber. Creeper and climber are not there in your lesson, but I'm just going to give you a brief about it. These are the different types of plants that we have. Now, what are trees? Tree is big. It's strong. It has a thick stem called the trunk. It has many branches, many leaves. It gives us shade. Some trees give us fruit also. So they are the biggest of all plants. Coconut, mango, apple, they are all common trees. The next one is a shrub. Shrub is smaller than a tree, but not very strong as a tree. But it has got a rough, woody stem and lots of branches. See, a tree has got a trunk that is long, and then you go up and then you have lots of branches. But shrubs are not like that. They have generally branches from the lower part of the plant itself. They are full of leaves and branches, but they have rough, woody stem. They are small, hard, and have woody stem. The next one, they are called herbs. Herbs are small plants. They are soft, green stem. They have green stem. You must have seen mint, coriander, grass. They are all herbs. So, what did we learn? We learned a tree, coconut tree, mango tree, apple tree. Then we learned what's a shrub. Rose, tulsi, they are all shrubs. Then herbs, coriander, mint, grass. Now we have creeper. We don't have the creeper part in the lesson, but I'm just teaching you because you're learning about plants. Creepers are small plants that creep along the ground. Why I said small? Because they don't have height, but they creep along the ground. They are very long plants. Like, they are all spread over the ground. And pumpkin, watermelon are all creepers. They have weak stem. And many times you must have noticed that there is a thread-like structure on their stem that, holds different things on the ground. They are called tendrils. Then we also have climbers. Money plant is a climber. Grapevine is a climber. Climbers also have big stem. They need support. They can stand only if they have support. Otherwise they will fall down. Ding. So usually they grow near trees or walls or even other small plants or maybe even a stick. Can you see here a climber growing up? So did you all understand that? Did you like it? Okay, children, what are the different things that we get from plants and trees and how are they useful? We are going to talk about it. First thing, trees and plants are homes of different animals. Here I have taken a picture where you can see lots of animals there. They all depend on plants or trees, isn't it? So many animals live in the jungle. They depend on plants and trees. Some of them have their homes in it. Some of them eat the fruit or leaf or the stem of different plants. So, like human beings, even animals and birds need plants. Then, we get all our fruits and vegetables from plants. All our fruits and vegetables. And we already know fruits and vegetables are protective food. So we get a lot of protective food from plants and trees. Then, very interesting to know, we also get fiber from plants. You know what is fiber? Maar bolte sadhana. Cotton, the white flower kind of a thing picture that you see is cotton. And this side you can see jute. Jute is, the material that we use to make bags. Jute and the colorful bags on the. Jute is also used to make sack for storing rice and other grains. Nowadays you get very beautiful, very, very costly jute saris also. They look very good, very comfortable to wear, and because it's a natural fiber, it's good for your body also. So jute and cotton are two fibers that we get from plants. Then, what do you see there? Yes, that's a log of a tree. So many logs kept together. Wood. We get wood from trees. And this wood is used for making furnitures. Isn't it nice? We get so many things from plants and trees. Okay, children, look at this tree. Do you see something like a cup with white something like milk? Can you tell me what tree is it? Yes, it's a tree that we commonly see in Kerala. That's a rubber tree. And we get rubber from this tree. A rubber tapper comes and neatly chips off small edges of the trunk. And he puts a small coconut shell or a rubber or plastic bowl kind of a thing so that milk flows into that vessel. And this milk is collected and then they are made into sheets using a machine. Can you see those white sheets? That is not cloth, that is not plastic, that is rubber sheets. This rubber sheet is then dried on strings. See, look at those rubber sheets. It will become a little hard after it dries. And then what do you get? You make rubber slippers, colorful slippers, your eraser that you use for rubbing things. Then you make tire with rubber, truck tire. All the tires that we see on vehicles are made from rubber. Then rubber bands. So that's the story of the rubber tree. So nicely God has made all this for us, isn't it? Okay, dear children, we already saw what are the different things, useful ways, and useful things that we get from plants and trees. But here is something very special I want to speak about plants. We get lots of medicinal plants. What is medicinal plants? മരുന്നുകൾ അല്ലേ? You have a cold or a cough. Your mother will take little kurumulaga, black pepper. She may take little tulasi. She may boil little water and give you that to drink. What is that? That's a medicine. You get gooseberry, nelika. That's also a medicine from plant. Tulasi, manjal, cardamom, elaka. Adoru spice, but cardamom is good for health. Like that, there are so many good plants. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is used for making soap and shampoo. It's good for your skin. Hibiscus, that is a flower. That is the flower of a shoe flower plant or a hibiscus plant. The red flower is used for washing your hair. It's a very good shampoo for washing your hair. Turmeric is good for your skin. Even if there is a deep wound, you can apply pure turmeric, manjal. Then garlic. Garlic is so good for your digestion. It is very good if you have any stomach problem. Like that, we get lots of medicines from plants. So, did you like the lesson? You learned so many things, different types of plants. What are the things that you get from plants? What are the different parts of a plant? I'm sure you'll enjoy watching these videos again and again and listening to it. God bless you. Bye-bye. Dear children, I'm going to show you to draw a plant and label the parts. It's very easy. It is not at all difficult. We begin from the lower part of the plant. What is the lower part? The root. So first thing, you make a land like this, and then you're going to make root. Just make roots like this in any direction, and we'll begin then the stem, the shoot, the branches and the leaves. So the root is ready. Can you see it clearly? That's how the root is made, okay? And then we are going to make the stem of the plant. Just do like this. Slightly. Okay? And then, okay? So we'll take small. Is the structure clear for everybody? And then make leaves. Just leaves like this. And what are the different other parts of the plant? Can you tell me? Flowers, buds, fruits. So we are going to draw some fruits and flowers also. So how will you draw? Is the leaf difficult? No. These, you are going to draw the flowers. Actually, when you draw with a pencil, they all will look same. But when you will give them color, then you will make out that that's a flower, that's a fruit, that's a leaf. So flowers you can make like this. Then you can also make fruit. Now I am going to make a fruit over it. Fruits always hang towards down because they have little heavy, isn't it? I'll send you the complete picture soon. So we have made the root, we have made the stem, we have made the branch, the leaves, the fruit and the flower. Now I'll just complete this and send you the picture. Is it okay? Dear children, I'm sending you the notes of this lesson, Nature Walk. This was last week's homework. I'm sure you all have drawn. You had sent me the picture, so I know. Even I have drawn 3 leaves in my book. Okay? Page 2, you have to write down all the new words of the lesson. Garden, trunk, shrubs, herbs, root, stem, fruits, medicines, fiber, rubber. On page 3, you're going to draw the tree and the shrub. Did you see the picture of both the drawings? Both tree and shrub look different, isn't it? Trees are tall, they are strong. Shrubs are not very tall. They are small, but they are also strong. They are stronger than herbs, but not as strong as the tree. Then fourth, you're going to write about tree and shrub. Fifth page, you're going to draw the herb. Herbs are very small plants with green and soft, tender stems. They don't live for long. Then on the sixth page, you're going to write about herbs and medicinal plants. If you want, you can draw the medicinal plants just below the herb on the plain side also. Then on the seventh page, you're going to draw the things that we get from plants. Here, Miss has drawn wood, eraser, paper, medicines, fruits and vegetables, cotton, oil. Then, 8th page, things we get from plants. We get many things from plants. Actually, this book is not enough to write down, but we are going to just name 8 things that we get importantly from plants. Okay? Oxygen, wood, rubber, paper, medicines, fruits and vegetables, fiber, oil. Then, parts of a plant. I had already sent you a video telling you how to make draw the picture of a plant and how to label it. Always remember, children, 2 important things when you are making a science diagram. Because if you do it like that, it is going to be a fantastic work. Okay. 1. Remember to label on one side. Here I have labeled all the parts on one side, and always label in capital letters, never in cursive writing. Will you remember that? Then the last page, parts of a plant. Write down and draw each part separately, very small, so that when you have an answer, question answer, or a fill in the blank, or a true and false, these pictures will come into your mind. Will you do it neatly and submit it to me quickly? I know you will. Okay, God bless you, children.